Hi guys, today I want to talk about my top 8 cube. This is my top 8 cube. This is my top 8 cube. What I have is the Moyu Weilong, QiYi M, Moyu Meilong, Qiyi Thunderclap X-Men, the QiYi W, the YJ GuanLong, the gang V2 M, and the Qiyi Little Magic. And let's talk from my top 8. This is my top 8. The QiYi W. The QiYi W is my top 8. Why? Because the color is not really good, because of the white one, and the blue not my favorite color, and the sound is not really good. I like this one in the top 8 because the sound and the movie not really good, and the texture is not really my favorite, and the color also. See, because the color is so light, not so dark, I don't like this so much, so that's why because it's my top 8. The movie is a little bit not really good sound. I don't like this sound so much because uncomfortable for me, so that's why in top 8. This is my top 7. The YuXin Little Magic. Why I choose this in top 7? Because a little bit update the color than the top 8 one. The color like this, the little bit more light, and like the screen more a little bit dark. I like so much, and the movie is also good. The sound so nice, but the movie not really faster, but a little bit good than the top 8. I like it so much in top 7 because the color and the sound very good. See, and the movie also good, but I choose this in 7. This is my top 6. QiYi M, the magnet Qiyi. This Qiyi magnet, I like the color more update, more darker red and the blue, and the sound is very smooth. See, very smooth the sound, and I like it so much in top 6. That's why I choose this in top 6. And the movie also good. See, very fast and very good. I like it so much in top 6. That's why. And the movie also good, but a little bit not my favorite is the sound is not too faster, but like too smooth like that. That's why this is my top 6. This is my top 5. YJ GuanLong, the method one, the black base. This is my top 5. Why I choose this in top 5? Because it's the black base, and the texture or the color is good, better, and the movie also good, very nice. The movie also good. See, really nice. The sound also good. See, the sound more better than the top 6, but this one also good and better for moving, very smooth. See, without using any loops or text like tool to fix it, but it's also good. That's why I choose this in the top 5. This is my top 4. Moyu Meilong M, RS3, the Meilong. This Meilong is very smooth, but why I choose this in top 4? The texture is really perfectly in 60%. Very smooth, and the sound I like very smooth and very good. The moving is okay and very fast to move in top 4. And also have some people using this, like one of the Indonesia people, and you see later. This is my top 3 X-Men Qiyi Tornado V2. The texture is very good, and the color very smooth and very light, not very dark, but I like this in top 3. You know why I choose this in top 3? It's very smooth, the touching and the moving very smooth and very nice. I like this in top 3 because of the smooth, moving faster, and the texture so smooth. See, like this very smooth when you touch, and it's moving very fast. I like this so much, and this is my top 3. This is my second top 2, the Moyu Weilong. This is the Moyu Weilong, very nice, and I like the color, also the texture. And see, I like the texture, the outside line very smooth, if you can see, because when you hold it's like very smooth. Right, when you move you can hold like this, very smooth, very smooth. See, when you turn, if you can touch this very smoothly like that. And I like this is in top 2. Why? Because of the texture of this line and the color, and the moving very smooth and very nice and very fast. This is why I choose this in top 2. And this is my first top 1 gang cube, the gang V2 M, the 354. And I choose this because the color very nice and the texture very good, and the logo is very quality and nice logo ever. The why I choose this game because of the logo. That's why I choose in this top 1. And the moving also smooth. See, the move very smooth and very fast to move. That's why this is my first GameCube ever in my top 1. And I like the sound very smooth, and also the speed is very 100% smooth. Like when you move it's very smooth, like very silent the sound. And you see, this is how people using this, and let you see later. This is all my top 8 cube that I chose in 2022. If you like this some of this cube, like for example the gang M V2 3454, you can buy this. It's very smooth. Or you also can use this, the Moyu Meilong M 2020 RS3, very good because of the sound, very nice. If you want to buy the like the normal one but not very fast, have 3 types, have 2 I mean. This one first is the QiYi, the W, QiYi W. The second is this one, the YuXin. This one, the YuXin one. But if you want to buy this one, the Qiyi, it's good and okay lah. If you want to buy this, can. And that is my top 8 cube in this 2022 Rubik Cube. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye.